What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the chemical formula for mercury 2 sulfate, and after that I want to show you how to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of mercury 2 sulfate. So first of all, I start with molecular formula. The molecular formula for mercury is Hg. The charge for Hg in this case is 2 because it's written here. We have different oxidation states. That's why we have to show the right oxidation state here, which is 2 in this case. And sulfate is SO4. So the charge for SO4, which is a polyatomic ion, is 2 minus. So then the compound is going to be HgSO4. So it's going to be 2 and 2. They cancel out. It's going to be HgSO4. And after that, I want to find out the molar mass of mercury 2 sulfate. In order to find it, we need to list the elements Hg, S and O. Hg, the atomic mass of Hg is 200.59, sulfur is 32.06, and oxygen is 15.999. Times 4, this one is times 1, and this one times 1. That makes it 200.59. Because this one is because we have only 1 atom of mercury, 1 atom of sulfur, and 4 atoms of oxygen. 6 and 4 times this one is going to be 31.996, and then you add them. It's going to make it 200.59 plus 32.06 plus 31.996. That makes it 264.646 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of mercury 2 sulfate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel.